You! What are you doing in here? Who do you think you are? Huh? Dingus? What do you think you're doing in here? You trying to steal my food? You trying to steal my turkey? Is this what you're up to? When I find out what you're up to, you're in a lot of trouble. For now, you're innocent. Alright? So consider yourself lucky, dingus. Bam. Hey! Hey! Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. There's some hot sauce on there for you. You want it? Yeah. Yeah, come on. Here. You want some of that? You want some of that? Go on. Go on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hey! You were supposed to take the whole thing! Hold on. Greedy. Greedy. You greedy. Okay, take the bread. Take the bread. Yeah. Yeah, you stay away. Greedy. Greedy. You can have some. Just a little bit. There you go. So you don't get thrown up or anything. Greedy, though. You're like greedy. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on, right there. Goofy. What's wrong with you? Taking the whole thing like that? You should be in prison for that. That's stealing. I did offer it, but that's stealing. Bam.